Hi, my name is Julia. Thank you for booking with me. And I'm your host today. I'm going to show you how to use the keypad to enter this building. We have the Google Nest, the autolock keypad in here. And before your arrival, I'll be sending you a message like this. And you can see the password number is 147258. And right now I'm going to show you how to use this keypad. First of all, you press the yell and enter the pin and press the check mark, and then you can open the door. Okay, I'm going to demo it to you right now. Yell 147258 and check. Okay. And you will hear a sound, and you can unlock the door. And when you are checking out, you just close it. Close the door, and you are done checking out. I'm going to remove the password after you check out. So remember to take all your belongings with you. And that's it for the video. Okay, thank you again for booking with me.